Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching all my previous video. Here in this particular video I'm going to explain about the ng style, how you can implement the ng style on your HTML control. In the previous video we have seen the how you can get the data from the your registration page or any page where you have some input box, and then on the button click or on any change event you would like to get the data from those HTML control. So I'll paste the link in the description box if you have not visited yet. So let me go to the Visual Studio Code and we'll see how we can implement the styles. Right, let me open this. So what does style means? So a style like this, one HTML control, and this HTML control having the value the modern web developer platform. Now this HTML control have some style. I mean, it has some width, it has some weight, size. See, if you open your console and if you hover this HTML control, see there are different styles are there, like weight, height, margin. So you can implement using dynamically, and also you can implement the inline. So we'll see through one example. So here I'll take div, and inside this div, let me take one div, and inside this div I'll say one span, and here I'll say color 1, and here I'll define the how you can implement the styles, like you say style dot color. So now whatever the color I will define here, that color will implement on this text color 1. So let me see the called blue, yeah, and let's run the application ngserve and we'll see the result on the browser. Now the application compiled successfully, and we'll open the browser and type localhost 4200. See, the span has printed and the color is blue because we have written blue. So let's change to red and we'll see the effect on the browser. It's changed to red. That means it's working fine. Now here I have implemented the, I mean it's kind of hard coded I have done. Let me change the color like dynamic, and I'll say color. I have defined one variable color, and that variable has to define on the ts file. So let me go here and I'll say red. So this variable holds the red value, and that will automatically assign to this span color 2. I would say color 2, so that will not create any confusion. Yeah, see, right? Let me change some different color, size blue, and it will change back to blue perfectly. So in this way you can define the color over here as an inline, or we can also define through one variable, right? Now in this way we can define the color. Now there is one other way using ng style, where we can define all the styles like we have seen here: font size, font weight, right, margin. So all this configuration we can done using ng style. So let's take one div. Inside this div I say span, and I will say color 3, and let's define over here. So I'll say ng style, ng s will be capital, and we'll open curly braces and we'll say color, and that color will be yellow, and that color will be in yellow. Now here we are assigning the value as in key pair, like we define in JSON. This is an key color and the value will be yellow, right? So let's save and we'll see, yeah, color 3, which is in yellow color. Now we can define some more configuration. If we say comma, and the other key will be font size, and the value I would take 50 pixel, and let's save it. Oh, I think it's not working. 1 second. I think there should not be any space. Save it. Yeah, color 3, perfect. So in this way we can define other configuration as an JSON format. So now here I have done kind of hard coding like yellow and 50 pixel. Now I can get these value from TS file. Let's do this. Say color 4, and I'll mention the variable color because I already defined the color variable on the TS file. And here I would say size, that I need to define. Color is already there on the TS, I need to only define the size. I would say 50 pixel. Save it. Yeah. So now these value are coming from the TS file. So dynamically you can also assign the value rather than doing the hard coding. So in this way we can use of ng style very efficiently. Thank you for watching this whole video. If you have any doubt regarding my previous video or in this particular current video, please put your question in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and also share the link with your colleagues, friend. Thank you so much.